Skateboarding Day is an international day where all the skaters we join together, we pass the vibe, we skate together, we learn, we share our experience, we have fun. So now, since you all here, I'm going to have some little challenges, contests. Okay, wow. So I'll start with ollie challenge. Those who can land ollies can come this side. We'll do who is going to land highest number of ollies is going to be the winner. If you miss, you're out. Okay? Cool? Thank you all for coming first. We'll start through. Who are ollie vara? Who's all coming for the ollie challenge? That's it. Vishwa, we got the youngest skater. Youngest skater, Vishwa. Prashant, ollie. You can land ollie. No cheating. Those who can land ollie should definitely come here. Hey, Raghu, I'm a judge. My ollie challenge. Stationary. எப்படியான பண்ணலாம். மூவ் பண்ணிட்டோ பண்ணலாம், நின்னு எடுத்தோ பண்ணலாம். எப்படினா ஒரு சான்ஸ் கிடைக்கும். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் நான் பண்ணுவேன், நெக்ஸ்ட் டைம் பண்ணுவோம். ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் 8 1 ஓகேவா 1 2 amari. So who is going to get maximum number is going to be the winner. We'll set the number of say 10 15 20 hit us. Inform will be 15. What's the target number? 10. Who is going to touch the number first is going to be the winner. Okay. So if you miss one chance also, you have another chance. Okay, wow. Yaar first on the target touch pannrangalo, they are going to be the winner. Okay. So challenge target 15. Okay. 15 la yaar highest pandra paakalam. Okay, wow. Whoever touches the count first is going to be the winner. எல்லாருக்குமே equal number of prize இருக்கும். Okay, 15 ollies na 15 prize இருக்கும். Okay, I mean 20 prize இருக்கும். 20 prize la 15 ollies land பண்ண பாக்கலாம். Have a little practice. Go. Like you can do it. You want to drink water, go drink water. The first challenge was Go Skateboarding Day 2024. Now we're gonna do it. We'll start moving wherever you want to. One time. I don't know where. In back. Mountain. நம்மளால bigger tricks போக முடியும். So ollie is like the gateway for other tricks. Same thing. Skateboarding has only two tricks. One trick is going to be with the walk. Another trick is going to be with the scoop. எல்லா tricks of skateboarding la one pop பண்ணி we do the trick or we scoop and do the trick. So ollie and shove it are the mother tricks, the foundation trick. So we have to be strong in the foundation. That is why I add the ollie and shove it. Okay? That's half. Redo. Okay, get ready to. Now. That's half. Stay it, man. Oh, come on, Diego. Okay, wow. Nice. So, நான் வந்து ஒரு 10 to 12 இயர்ஸாக வந்து MTBல PISO என்னோட ஸ்கூல் டேஸில் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணேன். சரிங்களா, அப்போலேருந்து அப்படி கண்டினியூ பண்ணிருக்கேன். இப்போ என்னோட ப்ரொஃபஷனலும் சைக்கிள் ரிலேட்டடாக ஆகிடுச்சு. நான் இப்போ ஒர்க் பண்ணுறதும் சைக்கிள். யூடியூப் வீடியோஸ் அதெல்லாம் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணும்போது நான் சைக்கிளிங் ஸ்டண்ட் ரைடிங் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணும்போது 8 to 9 மெம்பர்ஸ் என் கூட ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணாங்க. இப்போது சென்னையில் ஸ்டண்ட் பண்ணுறது நான் மட்டும்தான். இன்னும் அவங்களாம் வேறு இதுக்கு மாறிட்டாங்க. இன்னொருத்தர் வந்து கார்த்தின்னு சொல்லி ஒருத்தர் BMXல பண்ணுறாரு. 2 பேர் தான் இப்போதைக்கு சைக்கிளில் ஸ்டண்ட்ஸ் பண்ணுவோம். 7-8 மணிக்கு மேலே. I am the BMX. We have another BMX. Yes, the professional one who lost his cycle. Okay guys, you are all ready for the MTB stunt. Give space for him. காத்து திருட்டு போன தலைவேல. Nice. Let's go. That's called an endo. Endo. Very good.
Yes.
Oh. Nice. Done. Bunny up.
Bunny up. Info, come on.
Open. Let's go. Come on, Bunny. Hey.
Where, bro? In Rock Beach.
Each skater will be getting 1 minute. Okay, each skater will be given 1 minute. In 1 minute, you are supposed to use the entire park and land as much tricks as possible. Any tricks, stationary tricks, moving tricks, use the ramp, use the fun box, do normal tricks, ground tricks, air tricks, any trick. So I will judge on the difficulty level of the trick, the consistency of the trick, and the flow, usage of the park. Okay? According to this, out of 10, you'll be scored. Each skater gets 2 tries. Okay?
Second, fine.
Ayyo. Everything is missing, bro. Oh, he got
You properly. Okay, the first place gets this amazing deck and a grip tape from PISO. Any guesses who could have got the first place? Any guess? Everyone please have a guess. Okay, we'll go with the 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Ready? Put me on. 3,
2, 1.
It's 1. Yeah. The first place goes to Ruben. He scored 7 out of 10. But he got 7 only in the first run. Yeah. Okay, but still highest score wins. Ruben got 7 out of 10. Congrats. 11. Keep rocking. Good flow, good consistency. Have faith on yourself. We are believing in you. You believe in yourself. You can land more days. Okay, good one. Thanks, man. Okay, then hope you guys had fun. So, guys.